In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Infestation Camo on the Carbon 57 in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up the gunsmith, and from here you're going to want to go up to this customize tab and into the camo section, specifically into the zombies tab, and this is where you're going to see all of the challenges that you have to complete in order to work your way up to the Infestation camo. The first 9 camos right here are going to be your crit kill camos. You have to get 1,000 of them total, and crit kills is just a fancy way for saying headshot kills. You're going to want to load into a survival map. Right now there's just farm, but in the future there's going to be more, so it doesn't really matter as long as you're in survival. Essentially, just go ahead and run up some trains, get a bunch of headshot kills, and if I'm being honest, this is probably going to be what takes you the longest out of all of these challenges, so just keep that in mind. It's not the most fun thing in the entire world, just aim for the head though. You could do the rest of the damage to the body if you need. Just finish them off with some head. For the rest of these challenges, go ahead and stay in survival unless I say otherwise. The first one is going to be the mutilate camo, and this is just 300 kills with firework activations. It doesn't have to be kills itself with fireworks. You just need fireworks to activate first, and then go ham, get as many kills as humanly possible. It's going to take a few activations. Just put fireworks on as soon as you get into your game, and you'll knock this one out pretty quickly. From here, we can move on to Slither, which is just 10 kills without reloading 15 times. If you're having any issues with this, it is, pretty common sense. Just go ahead and put on an extended mag, and that'll help you out just a little bit more. Just make sure you're not reloading. Reloading is going to be the death of you, but you can honestly knock this out in 2 rounds max. For Pathfinder, you got to get 75 armored zombie eliminations. This is super easy to go ahead and do. If you are having any issues with this, just go ahead and progress the rounds like normal until a lot more armored zombies do start spawning in, and from here, just go ham. Make sure you have a higher pack punch level, a higher weapon rarity, and you'll knock these out pretty quickly. Which is good because we can finally move on to Golden Dragon, which is actually super easy. You just got to get 10 kills rapidly 15 times with the Carbon 57. That just means get 10 kills as quick as possible, 15 times total, 150 kills total, round up a bunch of zombies. You'll be able to knock this one out pretty quickly. It should only take like 2 rounds max. Bloodstone is where it does start to get a little bit more complicated. You do have to get Golden Dragon on 6 SMGs before we can even get started on this, which is going to take a little bit of time, but if you need help, I have guides breaking down every single weapon, so check those out. But essentially, you just got to get 20 or more consecutive kills without taking damage. The strategy is the exact same for pretty much all of these. Just run up a big train, don't take any damage, and you'll knock this one out pretty quickly. For Doomsteel, though, this is actually going to be the only one that we don't play a survival map for. You're going to want to go ahead and get loaded into Ashes of the Damned, and from here, all you have to go ahead and do is get past round 16, take out that first Zersa that does spawn in, and then you just got to run into the fog. And every 2 to 5 minutes in the fog, you're going to have a Zersa spawn in, which is essentially the elite zombies here in this game. Go ahead and stay in that fog. It should only take you around 20 to 50 minutes max. Obviously, the fog is a little bit hectic, so if you do need to go ahead and run out of the fog, that's completely okay. But that is the quickest method. After doing that, you got to get Doomsteel on 30 weapons in order to go ahead and wrap this up, and that'll get you Infestation. If you are having any issues or just, have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.